Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, May 23rd, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton it will be cloudy with a high of 80 degrees and a low of 68 degrees.
What happened to summer?
Today's lunch options are popcorn, chicken, or pizza box.
Today in history, in 1788, South Carolina becomes the 8th state of the U.S.
In the headlines, when your one piece of litter adds up. Summer is almost here, and if this doesn't remind you to pick up trash, I don't know what will. Scuba divers recently went on a mission to collect and clean up the waters of Lake Tahoe and gathered 12 tons of trash. Let's keep those fish safe and waters clean and pick up after ourselves during our summer fun this year, Falcons.
Today's fun fact is, tomatoes are the most eaten fruit in the world.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Max, why did the restaurant hire the pig?
I don't know why.
He was good at making bacon.
That's all for today.
Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Max.
And I'm Evan.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona.
Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba, da, bum, 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 bum.